Hey guys, I'm Mr. Mike. Today I want to talk to you about my two favorite tools on ChatGPT as a teacher. First one is ChatGPT Chat on AI. You can find it from the Chrome Web Store. And the other one is voice control for ChatGPT. Again, you can find it from the Chrome Web Store. Let's have a look at what it does. Basically, the first one, Chat on AI, it just gives you a bunch of prompts. You can turn it on from here. You can go to top prompts. I like using two of the top prompts. One is the learning topic, which is great, and the other one is the teaching topic, which is okay too, which is really quite interesting. For instance, the learning, act as a spoken English teacher, education content creator, mathematician, English pronunciation helper, fill in the blank worksheet creator, and the other one is teacher. You act as a Socratic method prompt, plagiarism checker, maths teacher, instructor in the school, philosophy teacher, AI writing tutor, as a Socrat. Yeah, you engage in philosophical discussions and use Socratic method of questioning to explore topics such as justice, virtue, beauty, courage, and so on and so forth. Let me go back to learning. Sorry. I like this one a lot, which is basically a quick and easy way to use it with my students to get them talking. What I actually did, I made a bit of a different one, but I'm going to use this for now. All I'm going to do is just press go. And now...
Sure, I'd be happy to help you improve your spoken English.
Also here,
let's get
the
started.
other plugin.
First of all,
talking,
I noticed a
voice
small error
control.
in your request. The correct sentence should be, I want you to act as a spoken English teacher and improver. Now, my question for you is, what is your main goal in improving your spoken English?
So basically, I can just talk to it. Well, my main goal in improving my English is to become fluent and have as little as errors as possible.
Great. Becoming fluent and minimizing errors is a common goal for many people learning a new language.
So basically, I'm dictating it.
In your sentence, there is a small error that I noticed. Instead of have as little as errors as possible, it should be have as few errors as possible. Now, my question for you is, what methods are you currently using to improve your spoken English?
Well, I'm reading a lot, I'm writing a lot, I'm blogging, and hopefully I'm speaking to other English speakers.
That's a good start. Reading and writing regularly can definitely help improve your vocabulary and grammar. Logging your progress can also...
With this, what I found it's just too long-winded and it gets a bit boring. So what I did is, let me start a new one. Latest prompts takes it to a web page, and I've already started documenting a couple of my prompts. I haven't made many. Let's go to learning. And hopefully, if I go to the latest prompt, all newest, I should be up there. Converse with an English teacher, Mr. Mike, yeah? Which is good. Let's have a look at my prompt. I want you to act as a spoken English teacher and improver. I will speak to you in English and you reply to me in English to practice my spoken English with no more than 2 sentences. Firstly, I want you to keep your reply neat, limiting reply to 100 words. Sometimes it goes over. Strictly correct my grammar mistakes, typos, so on and so forth. Remember, I want you to strictly correct blah blah blah, not exceeding 100 words. I'm repeating myself for accuracy. Start by asking me my level. Yeah, A2, B2, C2. Do not ask questions about my family. I added that as well. So copy. Let's go back here. Let's just paste it in and bang. Open up the audio sound.
Sure, let's get started. What is your current level of spoken English proficiency? Are there any specific areas that you would like to work on improving?
My level is A2 level, and I have problem convincing people about my ideas.
Great, let's work on that. In order to improve your ability to convince others of your ideas in English, it's important to practice using persuasive language. This can involve using strong, confident language to present your ideas, using facts and evidence to support your arguments, and anticipating and addressing any potential objections or counterarguments that others may have. Can you tell me more about the types of ideas you're hoping to convince others of?
I'm not sure. Can you help me there?
Of course. Here are a few general tips that can be useful in persuading others of your ideas.
As you can see, it's not perfect because it's actually gone off topic. I should have kept it, I think, a little bit more to the point. Maybe it was my fault. I should try that again, maybe. But it's great. Hope you like it. Go have a try.